Logging has come a long way thanks to some amazing inventions. These tools and technologies make cutting and managing wood safer, faster, and easier than ever before. In this video, we'll look at 12 of the best inventions that are changing how logging is done. Let's get started. Vedmaskin Teak Pro. The Vedmaskin Teak Pro is a game changer for anyone working with wood. Designed for efficiency and durability, this high-performance wood processor simplifies cutting and splitting tasks like never before. Its sturdy build, crafted from premium materials, ensures longevity even under heavy use. The Teak Pro is equipped with advanced safety features, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What sets it apart is its user-friendly operation, delivering powerful performance without requiring extensive expertise. Whether you're preparing firewood or managing large-scale woodwork, the Vedmaskin Teak Pro stands out as a reliable partner. If you're seeking a machine that combines innovation with practicality, the Vedmaskin Teak Pro won't disappoint. Forest Master Quick Fire Sawhorse. The Forest Master Quick Fire Sawhorse is a game-changer for anyone needing a reliable, efficient way to cut logs. Designed for ease of use, this sawhorse allows you to secure logs quickly, making the cutting process both safer and faster. Its sturdy construction ensures stability, even when handling larger logs, while the lightweight design makes it easy to move around your workspace. The Quick Fire Sawhorse is perfect for both seasoned woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, offering a hassle-free setup and operation. Whether you're prepping firewood or tackling a big project, this tool helps you save time and effort. Built to last, it's a practical and dependable addition to any toolkit. DYNA Firewood Tumbler. The DYNA Firewood Tumbler is a game-changer for firewood processing, designed to make cleaning and sorting wood faster and easier. This innovative tool removes dirt, bark, and debris from freshly split firewood, ensuring cleaner, high-quality logs for burning or sale. Its rotating design efficiently tumbles firewood, separating unwanted material as it works. Built with durability in mind, the tumbler is crafted from heavy-duty steel, capable of handling large loads while maintaining consistent performance. Ideal for both professionals and homeowners, it boosts productivity and reduces manual labor. Whether you're preparing firewood for personal use or commercial purposes, the DYNA Firewood Tumbler is a reliable solution for cleaner, ready-to-burn wood. Baumalight Tree Spade. The Baumalight Tree Spade is a must-have tool for anyone looking to transplant trees efficiently and safely. Designed with precision and durability in mind, it simplifies the process of moving trees while minimizing root damage. Whether you're a landscaper, farmer, or homeowner, this equipment offers versatility with its range of sizes and hydraulic power options. Its robust steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, even with heavy use. The Spade's smooth operation makes it user-friendly, saving time and effort. Baumalight also prioritizes tree health, offering designs that protect roots during relocation. For those seeking an eco-friendly way to enhance landscapes, the Baumalight Tree Spade is a smart and reliable choice. JARRAFF 4-Wheel Drive. The JARRAFF 4-Wheel Drive is a game-changer for anyone tackling tough terrains. Designed for versatility, this machine effortlessly navigates uneven landscapes, making it ideal for challenging tasks like tree trimming or utility maintenance. Its powerful 4-wheel drive system ensures stability and traction, even in muddy or hilly conditions. What sets the JARRAFF apart is its user-friendly design and high-performance capabilities. Operators benefit from a comfortable cabin and easy controls, allowing for precision and efficiency during long hours of work. Built for durability, the JARRAFF can handle heavy workloads while requiring minimal maintenance, whether it's dense forests or steep inclines. The JARRAFF 4-wheel drive delivers unmatched reliability for demanding environments. Clark Ram Wedges. Clark Ram Wedges are essential tools in heavy lifting and industrial operations. Known for their durability and efficiency, these wedges are designed to handle high-pressure tasks with precision. They are commonly used for applications like splitting, lifting, and aligning heavy loads in construction and manufacturing industry. Made from high-grade steel, Clark Ram wedges are built to last, resisting wear and tear even under extreme conditions. Their compact and portable design makes them easy to use in tight spaces, saving time and effort. Whether you're working on machinery alignment or structural adjustments, these wedges deliver reliable performance. Trusted by professionals worldwide, Clark Ram wedges are a go-to solution for tough jobs requiring strength and accuracy. John Deere 2510H. The John Deere 2510H is a purpose-built nutrient applicator designed to enhance farming precision and productivity. This advanced machine applies anhydrous ammonia efficiently, minimizing waste and soil disruption. Its low-disturbance design helps maintain field integrity while ensuring nutrients reach the roots where they're needed most. Built for durability, the 2510H performs reliably even in tough conditions, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. With adjustable row spacing and high-speed application capabilities, it offers flexibility to meet diverse farming requirements. This applicator's focus on accuracy and efficiency helps farmers reduce input costs while boosting yields. The John Deere 2510H is a smart investment for sustainable farming and maximizing agricultural output. Dougherty Forestry Turbo Saw RS3400. The Dougherty Forestry Turbo Saw RS3400 is a high-performance tree cutter designed for heavy-duty forestry work. It's specifically engineered to tackle thick trees and dense vegetation, making it ideal for land clearing, brush cutting, and forest management. The RS3400 attaches easily to most skid steers or excavators, providing powerful hydraulic cutting performance. Its innovative turbo saw design ensures smooth and efficient cutting, reducing wear on the machine and enhancing overall productivity. Whether you're managing large tracts of land or clearing smaller areas, this tree cutter delivers precision and speed, cutting through trees of varying sizes with minimal effort. Reliable, durable, and built for demanding tasks, the Turbo Saw RS3400 is a top choice for professional foresters. Baker Single End Trim. The Baker Single End Trim is a powerful tool that streamlines the trimming process for various tasks, especially in industries that demand precision and efficiency. This machine is designed to handle the trimming of materials with ease, ensuring smooth edges and uniformity in every cut. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or synthetic materials, the single-end trim right provides the flexibility needed to adapt to different production needs. Its simple design and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals. With this tool, productivity increases, reducing time spent on manual labor and ensuring high-quality results with every use. The Forest Master Manual Log Splitter is the perfect tool for those who enjoy outdoor tasks or need an efficient way to split logs. This manual splitter is designed for simplicity and durability, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. It provides a clean, controlled split every time, reducing the risk of injury compared to using an axe. With its sturdy construction and easy-to-use design, the trim right ensures you can quickly handle firewood and other log splitting jobs without the need for electricity or gas. Its compact size also makes it easy to store while still delivering high performance, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Tigercat 6900 Grinder. The Tigercat 6900 grinder is an exceptional machine designed for high performance in tough forestry and land clearing operations. Built to tackle the most demanding jobs, it delivers powerful grinding capabilities with a focus on efficiency. The 6900 features a robust engine and superior hydraulics, allowing operators to grind even the most challenging materials, such as large tree stumps and tough logs, with ease. Its advanced technology enhances productivity, ensuring reduced downtime and optimized fuel consumption. Operators benefit from its user-friendly controls, providing comfort and ease during long hours of operation. For those in need of a reliable and efficient grinder, the Tigercat 6900 is a standout choice for demanding tasks. Komatsu 951XC. The Komatsu 951XC is a powerhouse in forestry machinery, designed for efficient and sustainable logging. As an 8-wheeled harvester, it offers unmatched stability, even on uneven terrains, making it ideal for challenging environments. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise operation, while the spacious and comfortable cab enhances operator productivity during long hours. The 951XC is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including the MaxiXT control system, which streamlines data collection and task management. Its fuel-efficient engine reduces environmental impact while maintaining top-tier performance. Built to last, the Komatsu 951XC combines innovation, durability, and eco-conscious design, making it a trusted choice for professionals looking to maximize efficiency in the forestry industry.